and welcome to the OANDA Forex Market Outlook for the week commencing the 26th of May. My name is Tamar Mehr from Trade with Precision, and I'm going to discuss a few markets that I'm stocking for trading opportunities this week. First up is Aussie dollar, and let me mark two lines here on Aussie dollar. So first line is the line of support over here around the 9200. Second line is the line of resistance over here at 9400. Now, as you can see, we've been in a nice uptrend over here. We are now have a lower high, and now if we'll be able to break this low, we will be in a confirmed downtrend on Aussie dollar. Now you can see that this level is quite strong over here. Let's take a look how the weekly looks like. And you can see this level over here as well. So if we break down through the low of this candle over here, we will also be in a downtrend on the weekly. So what I'm looking to do in this case, well, I'll be looking to go down into lower time frame, for example the 4 hours or the 8 hours, and I'll be looking to see if we can break this level over here of the 9200, and then I'll be looking for opportunity as price pull back into this level. So at this point in time, and let's just get a bit more information on the chart, you can see that as price came and touched through that level, it bounced away and came down again and bounced away. Now price is consolidating around this level, so I'm waiting to see if price can break through this level, which by then the downtrend on the daily and on the weekly will be confirmed, and I'll be looking for shorting opportunities of this level to the downside. The next market that I'm going to have a look at is Euro GBP. And with Euro GBP, we can see that we are actually in a quite nice downtrend over here. We were in an area around here of no trend, and now we are continuing the downtrend right down here. Now, if we mark another trend line, this level over here around the 8200, it proven to be quite a strong support and resistance in the past. As price broke through this level, it now continues the downtrend. So what I'm looking to do, I'm actually waiting for a pullback into this level over here. Let's mark it down. I'm waiting for the price to pull back into this level. You can see that the moving averages are in quite a nice order. They're open, they're fanning. I'm looking for price to pull back into this level and give me a trading opportunity to the downside. The indicators are also converging to the downside, and it all looks nice. Let's take a quick look at the weekly. And you can see that the weekly is also in a very nice downtrend over here. The moving averages are also open in the correct order and fanning right about here. So if I get a pullback a little bit closer to this area over here, and then I would look for a continuation of the downtrend. You can see that the indicators also converging to the downside as well. So this is the second pair that I'm stocking. The next one is also to do with euro, and we do see a bit of euro weakness across the board. So this one is actually euro CAD, and euro CAD has been in a very nice uptrend all the way from August up until January. But now what we have here on this weekly chart, we actually started into a new downtrend. So we have a high, a low, a lower high, and now a lower low. So we are officially in a downtrend. We're also converging to the downside on the indicators over here as well. Let's see how the daily looks like. And with the daily, you can see that it's also now in a very nice downtrend. There was this area of 1.5 that proven to be a level of support and resistance around here. So let's mark that in. So we had two lines that were important on this chart. We had the 1.5, and then we had on the top area over here 1.53, and you can see that price, as it was coming up, it spent quite a lot of time over here, pull up again into the 1.53, half the way through and then made a higher high. But as it broke down, it finds support at this 1.5, tried to break higher, spent a couple of days around that area and fell from it. And once price fall back to this 1.5, broke that level, and now we're trending below it. So I really like the situation on EuroCAD, and I'm looking for shorting opportunities at this area. And what I'm looking to do is, again, I'm going to wait for a pullback. We're a little bit overextended from the moving averages. So what I would like to do is wait for a pullback to this area around here, so the previous low in here and the area of 1.49. I'm looking for price to be back into this sell zone. You can see the moving averages are fanning quite nicely over here, and I'll be looking for opportunities either from the daily or coming down into lower time frames, say for the 12 hours, and I'm going to see if I can get a trading opportunity around this level, because you can see how nice price action has been on this pair as well. Looking down into the 4 hours, and with the 4 hours we are also in a nice downtrend. However, we've been through this area around here of simply no trend, but now we broke down through this 1.5 and we continue lower. So I would prefer at this pair to actually look for a pullback into the 1.49 rather than look for opportunities from this area around here. Now, if you are interested in learning more about trading and how to read price action, please join us tomorrow for the Forex in Focus live market analysis with Q&A webinar. In this webinar, you will learn how to spot potential opportunities using the OANDA innovative currency market tool, how to recognize key level in various markets and possible approaches to trading them. You will learn how to apply practical techniques for assessing the strength of a currency trend. And really, this is a great opportunity to ask a professional trader questions about using the OANDA various technical tools and charting packages. So I hope to see you all in tomorrow's free webinar. And just as a reminder, today is a bank holiday both in the US and the UK. So for those of you who are having the day off, I hope you have a lovely time. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I look forward to speak with you soon. Bye for now.